Hi, I'm Erica, brand manager here at LawPay. The fact is, every business that accepts credit cards has to deal with processing fees. However, one way you can work around these fees is by implementing what's called a surcharge. A surcharge is when a merchant adds a fee to their credit card transactions in order to make up for some of their payment processing costs. This practice was frowned upon at first, and many states outlawed it outright. However, after lawsuits and court cases, most states now allow surcharging. But there are rules every merchant must follow if they choose to implement this. First, you must notify the major credit card brands and your clients of your intent to surcharge. At LawPay, our support team handles the card brand notification process on your behalf, saving you a step. Second, you may not surcharge more than the cost of your processing fees, nor can you implement surcharges on a debit transaction. Finally, you must list surcharges as separate line items on your invoice. Surcharging helps keep your processing costs low while allowing you to offer the payment options your clients want. Get started today with LawPay and we'll guide you through this process.